Hey tradies, looking for a deal that sparks? Well, listen up. We've got giveaways hotter than your job site kettle. Spend $300 and you'll score yourself a free tradie wallet tool. Perfect for the bloke who's always on the go. But wait, there's more. Spend $400 or more on Clipsal and you'll go into the draw to win one of 6 King's Big Daddy swags. That's right, sleep under the stars like a king. Step it up, spend $800 and you could take home one of 6 6x3 King's gazebos. Perfect for work, camping or backyard barbecues. And if you really want to power up, spend $1,500 and you'll go into the draw to win one of 6 King's 45-litre fridge freezers. Keep your drinks frosty and your snacks fresh, anytime, anywhere. Still hungry for more? Buy any Wattmaster or Klein products and you'll go into the draw to win one of 6 $500 four-wheel drive supercenter vouchers. Stock up on all of your off-road essentials. Spend $70 or more, get 1 ticket. Spend $125 or more and that's 2 tickets. Plus, spend $150 on EFO products and we'll throw in a free barbecue tool set. That's right, fire up the grill and sizzle in style. Don't miss out, these electrifying deals won't last. Spend more, score more and win big, only at tradezone.com.au.